Now there are 3 strip connectors over here. Again, badly designed Asus laptop in terms of upgradability. So let me just show you the 3 strip connectors over here inside. One is the keyboard, another one is the touchpad, and another one is the fingerprint scanner. So all these 3 have to be removed before you completely remove the touchpad. So it's a little delicate process. You need to see how it has to be done. Just take this plastic prier and try to remove it like this, and you can just remove it. Be very careful, otherwise if the strip connector gets cut. Alright, so this is the way the inner of the Asus X507 looks like. This is where the hard drive is, the processor fan, speaker, the Wi-Fi chip, as well as the motherboard, and this is the 3-cell battery that it houses. Now we need to identify where the m.2 SSD slot is. Positively it will be there behind the motherboard that you are seeing right now. So before going towards that, we will replace the hard drive. Just remove this strip connector over here, and this one screw has to be removed, another screw over here, another screw over here. So 3 screws for the hard drive, 2 on the motherboard, 1 on the case, and you just need to pull it out and the hard disk will come out. So this basically is a 2.5 SATA form factor hard drive, and you can take an SSD or higher capacity hard drive. Hard drive of 2 terabyte is supported in this laptop, and you need to remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 frame screws. Once you remove these screws, the frame will give away the hard drive and you can put the hard drive in the casing. We need to remove the fan now. There is a screw hidden over here. Just need to remove this screw. To remove this fan power connector very carefully, very delicate wires. Then remove the fan is again pasted. There's this tape that is holding onto the fan. So once you remove it, the fan will be. So we need to remove the screws of the motherboard now. So as you are removing the screws, I suggest use a marker to basically mark so that you know where the screws are of the motherboard. Start removing the screws now. Now for people who want to replace just the Wi-Fi chip, just need to remove this one screw over here, and just need to remove the Wi-Fi chip, remove the Wi-Fi antenna. This is the Wi-Fi chip they need to replace it with. Remove the speaker connector. People who want to replace the speaker, they can just, these are the 2 speakers, there are no screws whatsoever, just need to remove it. There's some gluing on the base, don't worry about that too much. Just remove the speakers, some gluing over here. Just remove the speakers and just put another speaker, 1 and 2, and you can replace the speakers also. So now the motherboard is, we need to remove the VGA cable. Just need to very gently remove the VGA cable. Just need to remove it like this. The audio port is holding on, as well as the stickering over here. So the motherboard is over here, and this is where your m.2 SSD slot is. So you can just take a m.2 SSD and put it over here. Remove this one screw and insert the m.2 SSD. I will show you how to do it. I need to take a m.2 SSD. I have taken a Western Digital 240GB SSD. You can upgrade up to 1 terabyte SSD over here. You just need to remove this screw over here. The screw will give away, and just need to insert it like this, and your laptop is now upgraded with the m.2 SSD. RAM is immediately accessible, but the m.2 SSD you need to dig deep inside, go to the extent of removing the motherboard. Let's again put the things back into their place. Alright, so we will take the motherboard, and first thing first, we need to align it with the battery. As you can see, this needs to go and fit inside, and just very gently put the speaker back, put all the screws back. These 2 screws are different, they are thinner. This screw is also thinner. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 screws are thinner. the fan screws back. So we need to put the hard drive back. Putting the strip connector back. Alright, so we're good to go. We can just now put the touchpad back, for which you need to be very careful. We'll first fit the smaller strip connectors. Alright, so you're good to go, and you finally now just keep pressing the whole thing. There's a lot of crackling sound. Don't worry too much. Wire bracket arrangement, which requires, just check the display by powering it on once, and the display is there. It's very important that you check the display, because at times if you have not inserted the strip connectors correctly, it might not power on. After putting all the screws, you'll have to again do the same thing. So once check the display, just check if the RAM has been upgraded. If you have upgraded the RAM, and then just shut it down. Just shut it down, just need to put it back like this, and then put the screws. Now first screws are the base screws, which are smaller in length. And the hinge screws, which are longer. So we have now put in all the screws. Just need to open it up and check it again. Just keep pressing, see to it there are no loose ends, and you have upgraded your Asus X507. So this, my friends, was a video showing you the process to disassemble the base, upgrade the RAM, put in m.2 SSD, or remove the existing hard drive, put a SSD or another hard drive, remove the motherboard, remove the Wi-Fi chip, the speaker, literally everything. But for the LED display assembly, everything else has been displayed over here to be replaced. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do let us know your suggestions and comments. Do not forget to subscribe to us, and please click the bell icon if you want continuous updates on our videos. Thank you so much once again.